Hi, this is Lauren KR's Naturals and LKR Soap and Such, and I'm Lauren, and I want to do some Calamine soap, and I discovered that if I don't have calamine powder, I can create my own calamine powder to make my soap. So the basic ingredients are zinc oxide and iron oxide, which is red oxide, red shade. I got this from TKB Trading, and this is from Bulk Apothecary. And then another recipe said that if you didn't have red oxide, you could use rose kaolin clay. So I thought it would be fun to do one of one and one of the other, and find out the difference in color and just see how it turns out. So the recipe that I looked at said that I need a 1/4 cup of zinc oxide. So I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of zinc oxide in here and a 1/4 cup of zinc oxide, give or take, in here. And then that it said that I needed a 1/2 teaspoon of the iron oxide. So I'm going to put the 1/2 teaspoon of iron oxide in one of these. And this is my 1/2 teaspoon measure. And I'm going to go ahead and make it a flat 1/2 teaspoon right there. And then I'm going to take my teaspoon measure and do 4 teaspoons of the rose clay in place of the iron oxide. I'll try to make those level. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's my rose kaolin clay. I like the idea of having the rose kaolin clay in the soap as well as the zinc oxide, but basically the calamine lotion is made up of zinc oxide and iron oxide. I have an abundance of popsicle sticks, so I'm going to use those to mix these together. I already make a Jewelweed soap and a Jewelweed salve that eliminates the itch of poison ivy and bug bites, but I decided that I was going to try a calamine soap. So that's more of a rosy color, and then we will find out what this iron oxide and the zinc oxide does. When you use a soap, it's not a leave-on product like leaving the calamine lotion on your skin to dry, but it does have a soothing effect with all of the ingredients in it. I will leave a link in the description box below for the lotion, the recipe that I found that I'm using right now, so that if you want to make lotion out of this powder, you'll be able to find the ingredients for that. Okay, this still has some lumps in it, but here is the shade of this one. And then this guy. We'll mix this together. There's definitely a difference in the shade. So I will get a white sheet of paper so that we can see them more clearly. So the one on the right has zinc oxide and red shade oxide or iron oxide. And then the one on the left has zinc oxide and rose kaolin clay.